If you're looking for a home with an RV garage, you're not going to want to miss this tour. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Brookestone community located in St. Augustine, Florida. This community is being developed by Richmond American Homes. About a 15-minute drive to the beach and about a 20-minute drive to downtown historic St. Augustine. Today we're going to be touring the Hanson model. This floor plan features 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage. You can see the RV garage over here. It has approximately 2,580 square feet. All right, let's take a look inside. Now this floor plan features 3 different elevations. That's going to be the exterior to the home. All right, we have an 8-foot entry door with 2 side lights. All right, here is the entry. Features a drop-down soffit. Nice wide hall. This model features LVP flooring in the main living area. We're going to continue our tour over here to the right into bedroom 2. Now Brookestone will have about 99 homes, no CDD, and a relatively low HOA. Here's a walk-in closet, nice size closet with a window. Now, if you're interested in knowing more about Richmond American Homes here in Northeast Florida, the Brookestone community, feel free to reach out, give me a call, shoot me a text or an email, and I'd be happy to assist. Now, it is important to reach out to me first before visiting any builders, since builders do require that a buyer have their agent present, especially at their first visit to the community or with the builder. All right, so a shower tub combo. And this is bathroom 2. Features the quartz countertops with the undermount sink. Heading into bedroom 3. Now there is opportunity as well to choose some of the interior design. A closet over here. Now before heading back into the entry, there is a linen closet here. All right, we're back into the entry. Now this is a nice long hallway. To the right we have a study. These are optional double doors, and there is a structural option to make the study into the 4th bedroom. Now throughout the home, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings and 8-foot interior doors. All right, here we have the powder bath. Now with the 4th bedroom, this powder bath would be converted into a full bath. And then here is another linen closet. All right, heading into the common living area, we're going to give you a pan of the space, nice and open. All right, let's head into the kitchen. You can see this large island with 5 stools there, bar stools. Have the gourmet kitchen layout with the microwave oven combo, with the vent hood there, and then the cooktop. Let's take a look at the pantry. The walk-in pantry here. Okay, dishwasher, single bowl sink, gooseneck faucet. And then straight ahead we have a nook or dining area. Hey, lots of windows here allowing natural light. Have the sliders on this side and then by the living room as well. All right, here we have the living room or the great room. Okay, and this is 8-foot sliders, 8 foot in height. All right, so you have a covered lanai. 2 fans out here. A nice view to the preserve. If you're looking for a preserve lot, water lot, let me know and can definitely assist you with looking for a home site where you're backing up to a water view or wooded area view. All right, let's head over and take a look at the primary bedroom or owner's suite. All right, and just before heading into the owner's suite, there's another linen closet, so lots of storage space in this floor plan, the Hanson. All right, and then here we have the primary suite. So tray ceiling, bumping up the 9-foot ceilings to 10 feet. And look at the windows here, allowing lots of natural light, and then 2 windows on this wall. Let's head into the primary bathroom. Okay. Double sink vanity with the quartz countertops, under-mount sink, a walk-in shower over here, 3 transom windows, water closet, and then the most important closet, the walk-in closet here. All right, nice size, lots of space. All right, let's head over to take a look at the RV garage. Now, before heading to the garage, we have the laundry room here. Now, it is standard to have this door. Nice access to the laundry room, very convenient having it to the primary bedroom. It's mechanical room, some space for some shelving there, and the coat closet. Right here we have the 3-car garage. Take a look at that RV space there. Here is the 2-car garage space. You can see the 2-car garage opening there. All right, let's take a look. Now this RV garage is 45 feet in length. And there's another door back here. There are 3 optional transom windows that you see there. All right, let's get another point of view. All right, so lots of space here. And then we're back out to the front in the driveway. If you'd like more information on this home or opportunities with Richmond American Homes, looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. I'd love to connect and assist you with your new home journey. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoyed the video.